Welcome to Hydraulic Press channel.
Hi.
I'm Lauri.
I'm Hanna.
And today we have lot of things to crush. And first one is going to be these. These are steel soda cans. I have no idea why they are steel, but they feel super strong. This is empty and it's like I can like hardly dent it at all. And then at the same time aluminium ones, these are like soft. So super interesting to see how strong they are full.
And second, we are going to try our new thermal camera.
And lastly, we are going to test out our biggest press tool ever. It weighs 80 kilos, just the tool itself. It's super large, and we can finally crush this huge mirror cube that we have had like 6 years here. But let's start with the smaller press and steel soda cans. Okay, we are at the old press. We have the force sensor. And first we are going to calibrate the things with regular aluminium soda can to see how much better these are. I don't remember how strong these are. I think maybe like a couple 100 kilos. How much was it? 300! Did I say like couple hundred?
Yeah.
No, pretty close. Okay, how much?
And at least 1 ton.
I say 2.5.
What?
Uh-oh. Huh? Uh-oh. It's stretching,
Whoa.
I was first thinking that it's leaking,
Yeah,
but it was the
yeah.
soda under it. I think this might be quite a much. Okay, here comes the result. 1.1 tons. I think we have to try another one also. Do you want to taste it?
No. Now it goes from the bottom.
I think this looks better.
Oh.
It started to leak from the top.
Yeah.
But otherwise it was nicer.
Yeah, it acted very much different than the other one.
Let's check. 1.2. One more.
There is one more.
I test a smaller diameter. It was different.
Yeah.
But this was way more interesting than I thought. You can see that the steel, okay, a bit softer. Yeah, but steel is stretchy. And aluminium doesn't stretch at all. It just bursts when it's like full. But steel, it's like balloon. Okay, we are ready with the steel pipes and with the thermal camera. And I have to say that already just cutting these was super interesting. I could watch that all day. And I have noticed that over half of you there, you are watching this through TV, big screen. And I think that's great. And we want to make this more suitable for TV viewers. And because of that, we have so much things going on. Because I think all great TV shows, like Mythbusters, Top Gear, stuff like that, they don't have like one story, they have multiple smaller ones. And I think that's great fit for us also. And
so if you're watching on TV, please keep watching.
And if you are watching from somewhere else, know that this would look better on TV. This is meant for TV from now on. Let's start with those. We have some books. And the thermal camera that I'm using, it's connected to my phone and it's on like really expensive phone, but it's there. With thermal camera you can see through polycarbonate, so it has to be here. I think we have to buy a stand phone.
Maybe.
And one more thing about the TV. I bought more better cameras. We are going to film everything with good camera like this from now on. No more cell phones. So please watch from TV so my camera spending isn't wasted. Okay, here it goes. Do you think this is going to explode?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. It's a large tool. Didn't go. One more push. Hey, maybe it's getting tired. Let's add more.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Lauri even didn't have any coverage for the phone. No glass.
That was stupid. I didn't remember that the table jumps. But I think it's okay. It's here. Look at this. It's just fine.
Okay. Is it really?
Yeah. It's recording and everything.
Oh, good.
Of course.
Good.
What do you think? Yeah, the camera actually, the company sent it for me free, but it's quite cheap. The price is here. It's really cheap, but the phone ain't.
Yeah.
And the camera, I have to say, they didn't pay for anything for me to say this, but I think it's really good for the price. It runs 30 FPS, so the videos are like really smooth as you have seen. And if you want to get similar one, they have web shop. The link is down in description. I think it's a great camera. Okay, we have to do the normal benchmark of thermal camera on hydraulic press channel. The steel tube crush. Ooh! Yeah, looking good. Okay, then I wanna try. What do you think?
Oh, that's...
That's quite optimistic.
Yeah, it's thick, boy. Oh! What?
Is it getting hot? It got a bit hotter. Look!
Yeah!
This is interesting. It doesn't get crushed.
You just said it had to get crushed that it would get hotter. It's getting hotter.
That's super interesting. I have no idea what is going on. Hey, maybe it's like when you crush it, but it doesn't get crushed. It still stretches a little bit. I have heard that hey, do we have rubber bands?
Yeah.
Okay, I wanna show something.
Okay.
Is it on the picture?
Yeah.
Does it do?
I think there is some color changing, at least here. Yeah. Yeah. Now there is.
Does it go
Definitely.
like? It goes back and forward.
Yeah.
Yeah. The steel tube was the same.
Okay.
It's just really thick rubber band.
Okay. Yeah.
Ugh.
Definitely.
Yeah, that was I didn't know that could happen. Super interesting. Okay, we are going to test out our new tool against these safes. We have the modern and old one, and I think it's not funny to crush an empty safe. So Hanna, where is our money pocket?
Money pocket.
Okay, then the another one. I missed some. Yes, they are ready. Ready to go. Closed. Closed. They are much more heavy when there is some money inside. Which one you wanna do first?
Let's do the old one.
Okay, let's do the old one. Okay, Hanna, what do you think?
It's huge.
Have you ever seen that big?
No.
Yeah, but here it is. Weighs like 80 kilos.
And it took you some like
5 hours.
5 hours.
5 hours to get ready. It's sometimes when it's like really big, it's hard to get ready, but this is now ready.
Yeah, it's really, really nice. We'll be looking for that.
Okay, but like more technical, it's really thick. I made it. Okay, that's unprofessional. Okay, now.
No.
But it's really thick, so there is like a lot of room to like machine off. When it gets dented, we can make it like there's like 1 inch of stuff to wear off, so it's going to last a long time, which is nice because it took long time to make. Okay, I put. Do we want to go fast? We already did the steel pipes fast, so I think we can do this slowly and get a bit more data how strong they are. Okay, here it goes. Ooh, it looks nice. The big tool, it like fits the big press.
Yeah. Oh. Wow.
Hey!
Yeah.
That. I have tried to break in safe multiple times with dynamite and thermite, and this is the first time ever when we actually get the money. Uh-oh. I'm not sure is this specific money worth of the like bank heist, but we are going to find out what we get with this. And now the next safe. I go fast with this one. No, I put slow. I want to measure it. Okay, this one doesn't open.
It goes from the back.
That was full power. I think the money is the money available? That's the question. Finns love plastic buckets. So even when you are on the middle of the bank heist, you are not going to use the black bags.
No.
You're going to use
Bucket, of course.
bucket. Money bucket is way to go. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, the money is really. Oh no, we fucked up.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Check. It would be 1,000.
Oh.
And also the coins. So if it doesn't pop open, don't keep crushing. It's not going to make your bank heist any more successful. Okay, then the big ass glass cube.
Mirror cube.
I think it's not solid glass. There might be something else inside. We're going to find out. Okay, let's put a full blast for this one. And I have my high speed ready.
Whoa!
That was better than I thought.
Yeah.
I hope also that the video was way better than I thought. Please let me know what do you think about the new concept. I think this is going to be nice. And now we are going to put some pretty much gone. I think there's glass dust. We are going to clean that, and you are going to watch the next video here. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.